Hey kids, welcome back to Don Meth, and today I will be trying to find a titmouse over here. I think that's them calling, I'm not sure though. But yeah, let's just see. Find a titmouse. This is where I seen the last one. Last time I seen no one in there. I was super close to it. I'm not seeing anything. Let's check somewhere else. Let's check back here and see if we see anything. Let's see. Nothing over there. See up there. See if there's anything in the lake over here. Oh, there's something out there. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Now. Black bird. Wait. I know how I can see the bird good, and I can get it out of the video with the binoculars. I know how to put the. So now it's extra zoom, and I can zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna go get the binoculars, and yeah, pause the video for this. Okay, I got the binoculars right here. I'm gonna go back out to the water. See if there's anything. Today, last time, like yesterday, I was searching for spiders. So now I'm gonna be searching for animals, birds, and insects. I don't know, maybe. See if we can find anything. Okay. Oh, that dragonfly. So, I don't remember where I found the black bird now. Come on. So pretty much. Oh. Let's just look somewhere else, I guess. See if there's anything by the feeders or something. Go up here. The blue jay con. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Nothing on the feeders. Nothing. Oh. Let's go. Okay, I found something. There was a chickadee on the bench. I repeat, chickadee on the bench. Chickadee up there. I think you see him. You see him? Oh, the chickadee went away. Chickadee on the bench. Let's see how close we can get to this chickadee. So we did find something. Oh. Chickadee flew away. Well, we did find something in this video. What is that one? Let's go look. Back here. Yeah. There's a mosquito on my nose. Bird. Do not know what it was, but there's a bird. That's all I know. Bird. No, I can't. I don't know where it is. Let's go, over here. Go over here. Let's go back over here. Oh, oh, wait, there it is. There. There's something up here. The bird. Oh. I think they're chickadees. More chickadees flying up in the air. Okay. So, I was looking for titmouse, but then we found chickadees. Let's go back, see if there's anything over here. See. Oh, something in the grass. I don't know where it is though. Acorn fell. You gotta watch out this time of year in the woods. Acorns can fall on your head. Okay. Well, I found chickadees. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.